Let's go. We keep getting these stellar parking spots where like our room is just down there and then we just kind of pop over here.
Alrighty, we're in the car.
Here we go. We've gotten lost so many times and accidentally ended up at Animal Kingdom that I think I know the way to Animal Kingdom now. We're in Dinosaur. That's very exciting. This is not bad for showing up at like 11.
Just keep waiting behind that yellow line. That's almost there, friends. Almost there, but not quite yet.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and...
Holly's waiting to get her bag checked. She's given up on trying to take stuff out.
Kelly just lost her magic band and then found it on the floor, like 20 steps behind us.
Don't do that.
This big pole's kind of ruining it.
We're going to my picnic spot. See? Check it out. What's that towel?
Kelly is cooling off. Honestly, that's such a good idea.
I highly recommend. I'm a big fan of the big fans.
Are you?
We made it to my favorite quick service. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna eat all of this food by myself.
And I'm gonna eat this food by myself.
Oh no, my tofu!
Okay.
We're tasting the tofu. This is Tuli Canteen tofu. You gonna try a little bite? Ready? Ooh!
Wait, right now. You're not even gonna be able to ride with that. Drink it. What are you doing? There's a backlog. There's a backlog to get into the ridey ride. Oh, stop. So pretty out here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? We're in the queue. Oh, that's nice. Look at that, that's water. You can't see it. No water for you. We might be going upstairs or we might be in the middle.
It's hard to tell how they organize it.
I don't know.
Wow. Heading to Festival of the Lion King, baby.
Hey, hold it, tomorrow. Look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Come on, everybody, you know the words. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing grade.
I have one hand.
Ain't no worry. What's the matter with you?
That guy's so hyped at the top. Oh my god.
Can't play my song. Hey, rings come by, rings come by. Just two girls eating ice cream.
It's really good.
right?
No regrets.
No. Alrighty, so we've had our ice cream, and now we are headed off to Dinosaur. Everybody walk the dinosaur. Dark places and scary dinosaurs. Are you in here? In the Dino Institute?
It's a museum.
Why would there be scary dinosaurs?
What are you talking about? It's a museum.
We're in. Underground research facility.
Can't tell anyone. We're the only one going on this expedition.
You're right, my
We
bad.
have to go in depth. Time to go get that dino. Oh, sorry, you're right. And now this is our view. We got the stage right there, and then this is the middle thing.
Throughout the world, marine animals large and
Swish your tail and dive on in, and trust that it's you. Just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim.
Cruising with a giant sea turtle. Go with the
Guess where we are, folks?
Here we go. Comfy.
Achilea refuses to come sit at the table with me because there are birds around at the Yak and Yeti seating, which is hilarious. Just look at it. She screamed twice. Okay, so we're in the queue for Cali River Rapids, and this looks so cool. I don't remember this at
It
all.
almost feels like doing a new Disney attraction just because like it has been so long. The fact that you got me on this ride just shows how much I love you. Bad decisions were made today. Oh good, we get to spin. Oh look, deforestation. It's a cool view of Everest though.
It's a cool view of Everest. I think we're going down backwards.
Oh no.
Oh, it's us going down backwards.
I thought maybe I could convince it to leave me alone. Refreshing.
Yelling at people doesn't help.
It works in school.
That was so fun.
It wasn't as bad as I thought.
Oh, hi. We're headed on to It's Tough to Be a Bug.
Hey, this is introduce
Oh, sorry.
Brooke.
Hi, this is Brooke.
This is famous YouTuber. Part of Brooke's special appearance.
A rare find.
We met on our program.
Yes. That was 3 years ago?
That was 3 years ago.
They're catching up. And I'm
Like interview prep and stuff.
I don't have anything to add.
That's why.
Okay. So we're going on It's Tough to Be a Bug.
It's time to become honorary bug.
Now you're all honorary bugs, so on with the show.
If you like vegetables, fresh and flowers, it makes you a
If it weren't for the fact that we got the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder high waves.
in the bins located outside.
We're walking onto the ride, baby! Woohoo! Okay, we're dancing. We're running onto the ride. We're dancing. We did not stop walking. We just walked right onto the road.
Yeah, like actually, like the gate was even open. We just came right in.
I say twende, which means let's go.
That's one funny looking dog.
Up ahead is by their
Babies.
they crash into their environment a lot. It's
Look at the
working
babies,
upwards
they're
like a
sleeping.
Y. There's two of them. If you kind of look
Sleeping
out where
right
my
here.
finger is pointing, top
I would
speeds
like to go
of 80
pet one,
miles
please.
an hour with an average of around. They are named
And then
for the
we've got
crazy amount of
Sebastian.
water that they drink for an antelope. It's about 82% more than their body needs in a day. The oldest animal in seniority out here. You about to do the goat run? Yeah. Can we watch from the other side? Oh, yay! Alrighty, guys. This is where they let the goats out at the end of the night. This is so cute. You gotta see.
No way. Stop.
Aw.
Oh, babies.
Thank you. Have a good night. To nutrients as well. So the word sometimes sells that reduce, reuse, recycle. Please continue to try to find ways
Rihanna.
to start your everyday life. And each
We had a great safari.
I'm just trying to like silently update.
The goats run.
Yeah, we got to see the goat run.
Goat run.
That was so cute. Now we're off to Pandora. We're gonna do Flight of Passage.
Sivaco.
Sivaco!
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me?
Yeah.
Great.
They're all clear.
It always smells so good in here. It's not the version we learned to smoke,
No.
but it's a vibe.
Get on the floor, everybody walk the dinosaur. Open the door, get on the floor, everybody walk the dinosaur.
I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a paleontologist, if I do say so
Do it.
myself.
We love Seeker.
Let's talk about it.
You have to wave yourself off from Seeker. Bye, Mike Wazowski.
All right. That's it.
That's it. Sad.
I feel like it was such a positive end to our day.
It's because I was here.
It's really just Brooke. This is a good song too. This is a good song to leave to. Sweaty, sweaty tram vibes.
Sweaty, sweaty tram vibe.
We've been sweating all day. In here. Why are you running? How? How do you have that energy?
No energy.
She said, ka-chow. Holly, stop. You're not even getting that far ahead.
Alrighty, we are in the car. And we are driving Brooke to Flamingo.
We're on our way to Flamingo. That's very exciting.
Thank you very much. The buses are trash.
We're at Flamingo Crossings. This is very exciting. I will never live here. Flamingo.
That was so freaking cool.
That was ridiculously cool of Brooke to show us around.
That was really nice of her. Oh, we're back into Disney.
Yep, we're going back into Disney now.